We are getting some more breaking information right now. Kashmiri shawl seller assaulted in Himachal days after Uttarakhand attack. Days after two Kashmiri shawl seller brothers were brutally assaulted in Uttarakhand, a fresh case has now emerged of alleged harassment and assault involving a Kashmiri shawl seller, which has been reported from Congress-ruled Himachal Pradesh. According to Jammu and Kashmir Students Association National Convener Nasin Kohami, a Kashmiri shawl seller identified as Mohammad Ramzan was harassed and later assaulted by a right-wing activist, Surjit Rajput Guleria, in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. Ramzan Nasir said was forced to prove his identity, threatened to give an ultimatum to leave the state while his shawl bundles were being checked. So there another case of a shawl seller being assaulted that is coming to light right now from the Kangra district. This is the latest information that we are getting for you. This is the breaking information that we have. Ramzan Nasir said was forced to prove his identity, was threatened and given an ultimatum to leave the state while his shawl bundles were being checked. For more on this, we have Tejinder live with us. Thank you so much for joining me. What can you tell us? What really happened here?
See, another shawl vendor has been assaulted this time in Himachal Pradesh. The Jammu Kashmir Student Association, which has been raising such cases of assault, has said that this shawl wala was assaulted in the Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. He has been identified as Mohammad Ramzan. So he was first harassed by a right-wing activist and who has been identified as Surjit Rajput Guleria. And this person has been a repeated offender. Earlier also he had harassed several Kashmiri shawl sellers in the past several months in the area. Now this case has been taken up with the Himachal Pradesh government. The Jammu and Kashmir, we are told that Jammu and Kashmir government is also following up with the Himachal government, and a case has been registered against this offender. Yes.
Right now, of course, this is, in line of the other such incidents that we're seeing right now. Also, according to the Jammu and Kashmir Students Association, the shawl seller was identified as Mohammad Ramzan and was assaulted later. Going forward, what sort of action can we see in light of this?
See, as I mentioned that this assault has taken place in the backdrop of a similar assault which took place in Uttarakhand, wherein the Uttarakhand Chief Minister took a prompt action. A case was registered against the person who assaulted the Kashmiri shawl vendor. He was badly injured. This happened in Uttarakhand. Now this is another incident which has happened in Himachal. We are told that the Himachal Pradesh police has taken cognizance of the entire episode. A case is being registered and a manhunt has already been launched to nab the accused. Also, several organizations have come forward to help the victim. He is being given some financial aid so that he could come back to his native place. But yes, the Himachal government has assured that action would be taken because this is not an isolated incident or a first of its kind incident. There have been several such instances in various districts of Himachal Pradesh where Kashmiri vendors, Kashmiri shopkeepers who are working there are being assaulted. They are being, some are being told to recite some religious slogans. When they don't do that, they are being assaulted, they are being harassed. In several instances, they are being stopped from selling their shawls in some particular villages. When they resist, they are being assaulted. So these type of incidents have become a routine in Himachal Pradesh, and the Jammu and Kashmir government has taken up the issue. Initially, the Chief Minister had spoken to the Uttarakhand Chief Minister. Now we are told that he's in touch with his counterpart in Himachal Pradesh, and the Himachal government has assured that action would be taken, and they have assured that all Kashmiris who are working in Himachal Pradesh, they would be taken care of. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Of course, we'll continue to track all developments on this front as well.